Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a 1031 exchange with EquityMultiple, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the EquityMultiple website. Create an account if you don't have one. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent by EquityMultiple. Log into your account once your email is verified. Locate the 1031 exchange section in the menu. Read the provided information about the 1031 exchange process. Gather the necessary documentation for your exchange. Documents typically include a current property deed and an acquisition agreement. Ensure your current property meets the requirements for a 1031 exchange. Contact EquityMultiple support if you have questions about eligibility. After confirming eligibility, initiate the exchange by filling out the online request form. Submit all required documentation through the secure portal. Review any additional instructions provided by EquityMultiple. Wait for confirmation that your submission has been received. Monitor your email for updates on the progress of your application. Once approved, you will receive further instructions regarding the next steps. Be prepared to engage with EquityMultiple representatives if necessary. Follow any additional guidelines provided to complete your exchange. Keep documentation organized for your records throughout the process. Stay informed about deadlines related to your 1031 exchange. By following these steps, you can successfully authorize a 1031 exchange with EquityMultiple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.